Hello, how are you? Hope you're doing fine. Today, I'm going to tell you about one of the greatest teacher in the history of mankind, the COVID-19. Almost 2 months ago, we were busy in our own lives. Suddenly, a tiny creature, the coronavirus, came into our lives and our lives totally changed. We were suggested to be isolated in our homes. For a moment, it felt like we were taken aback, but we discovered many aspects of our own life. We got to know who we are and what we can do. Most of us turned to be chefs, many of us turned to be the Ludo, PUBG, TikTok experts. Many of us became skilled in mopping, dusting, cleaning. We thoroughly utilized our time at home with our family. Never had we ever thought we could do the things which we did in this quarantine. The most important lessons in our lives were learned during these 45 days, and that too by staying indoor. Let's discuss about these lessons. Lesson number 1. Are we really living our lives? Firstly, we are dying to finish our school and start our college. After entering the college, we are dying to finish it and start our work. Then, when we start working, we are dying to get married and have kids. Once we have our kids, we are dying for them to get old enough so that we can go back to our work. When we are at work, we are dying to get retired, and then we suddenly realize that we are really dying and we forgot to live. To make money, we lose our health, and to restore our health, we lose our money. We live as if we are never going to die, and we die as if we never lived. Can we do something about it? It takes a high level of self-love, dedication and determination to live our greatest life. So we need to look within. Look at every area of our life and ask ourselves these questions. Am I on the right path and doing the right thing? Am I growing emotionally, mentally and spiritually? Anything that is blocking, anything that is coming your way or preventing you from living your greatest life, make a tough decision to let it go. It's your life, make the most of it. So, this lockdown has made us realize that we should live in the present rather than cribbing about yesterday or worrying about tomorrow. Live your life to the fullest. Lesson number 2. Fear no more. Before the COVID-19, we had lots of fears. But during this outburst, we have only one fear of losing our life and that of our loved ones. And hence, we have realized their value. Do we know what is the reality of fear? The reality is that we are not afraid of the dark, we are afraid of what may be in it. We are not afraid of love, we are afraid of not being loved back. We are not afraid of heights, we are afraid of falling. We are not afraid of people around us, we are afraid of rejection. We are not afraid of letting go, we are afraid of accepting the fact that it's gone. We are not afraid of trying again, we are afraid of getting hurt for the same reason. We are not afraid of death, we are afraid of the pain in our last moments. If you do not go after what you want, you'll never have it. If you do not ask for it, the answer will always be no. If you do not step forward, you'll always be in the same place. This pandemic helped us to lose our fear and realize what worries us masters us. So stop fearing and start living. Lesson number 3. Relationship workouts. We humans have always taken numerous precious relations for granted. Issues like doubts, miscommunication have ruined them. Once there was a small boy and a girl who were playing on a beach. The girl offered sweets to the boy in exchange for the shells which he had collected from the beach. The boy simply agreed. During the exchange, the boy kept the biggest and the most beautiful shell with him and gave the remaining to the girl, whereas the girl gave all the sweets to the boy. That night, the girl slept peacefully, whereas the boy couldn't sleep, wondering if the girl had kept some sweets with her the way he kept the shells with him. From this scenario, we learn that if we do not give 100% in a relation, we will always keep doubting whether the other person has given his or her 100%. Don't hide anything, open your arms and give your best to the relation. Trust the person and be trustworthy. This builds a strong foundation for your relationship. Life is too short to wake up with regrets in the morning. So love the person who treat you right and forget about the ones who don't. Everything happens for a reason. If you get a chance, take it. If it changes your life, let it. Nobody said that it would be easy, but it would be worth it. This quarantine helped to look deep inside us, and we have learned to find out the ways to maintain a valuable relation. Lesson number 4. Rock it with right attitude. We may be having a bad attitude towards many things, but this worst span helped us to have an attitude of gratitude for many people. It helped us to look at various different difficult scenarios with a positive winning attitude. It's not what you go through defines you. It's what you do after what you have gone through defines you. Be like a seed. They may bury you, but grow to be a large tree. Once in a battle, the army was surrounded by the enemies from all the directions. The army asked the major where to attack. The major ordered to attack in all the directions. The multi-thinking attitude of the major led the army towards a victory. Whenever you find yourself doubting how far you can go, just remember how far you have come. Remember everything you have faced, all the battles you have won, and all the fears you have overcome. You may be knowing the story of the glass filled with water. The pessimist focuses on the empty glass, whereas the optimist concentrates on the half-filled water glass. But in 2020, there is a twist in the story. There is a new entry of an opportunist who considers the view of the pessimist and that of the optimist, takes calculated risks, and ultimately drinks the water. Have an attitude of an opportunist. This crucial stage made us develop a winning attitude of being ready to face every situation and to grab every opportunity coming our way with a calculated risk. Lesson number 5. Positive thoughts, a key to confidence. Once, an old man told his grandson that there is a continuous battle of wolves in our mind. One wolf is the evil one. It has anger, greed, ego, bad attitude, jealousy. The other wolf is the good one. It has joy, peace, love, compassion, hope, kindness, truth, empathy. Then the grandson curiously asked his grandfather, which wolf wins? The old man calmly said, the one whom you feed. So, one should have positive thoughts in mind, because positive thoughts are converted into positive words. Positive words are converted into positive behavior. Positive behavior is converted into positive habits. Positive habits are converted into positive values. And ultimately, positive values become your destiny. You know, a bird sitting on a tree is not afraid of the branch falling, as it trusts its wings. This is the confidence that can be gained only through positive thinking. So we learn to stay positive in every scenario, which helps to gain confidence to conquer the situation. To sum up, no work, absolutely nothing is urgent. Anything and everything can be handled patiently rather than stressing on and creating a chaos. Money was never primary. Health is and always should be. Ultimately, family is the only institution that will support you and always be by your side. I hope you have liked the video. You can comment any other lesson which you may have learned or any other thing which you may have realized because of and during COVID-19. So share the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.